This giant shark travels thousands of miles before reaching your plate. Every hour, hundreds of tons of seafood are processed here. Consumers see only the final product.
The journey begins deep in the open ocean. Fresh catch arrives at the processing port.
Every shark moves through strict inspection lines.
Quality checks ensure premium seafood standards.
Advanced systems clean each fish thoroughly. Precision cutting machines handle the heavy work.
Experts refine every fillet carefully.
High-speed lines maintain production flow. Automated packaging protects freshness. Vacuum sealing extends shelf life. Each pack is tracked globally.
Logistics teams prepare shipments.
Cold storage preserves product quality. Heavy logistics power global distribution. Seafood travels by land across regions. Ocean freight delivers worldwide. Air transport speeds international supply. Global markets depend on this supply chain.
Restaurants receive premium seafood daily.
Massive factories drive the seafood economy. From ocean waters to the world's tables,